Hey guys, welcome back to Green Light's Kitchen. Today we're going to learn how to make a risotto. So I'm going to make a risotto with some mushroom. I had some dry mushroom. Now this risotto, guys, it's not the traditional one, so you know, everybody they do it the way they want it. This is the way I do it. That's my way to do a risotto. So we got some chicken stock, homemade chicken stock right here. I said a little bit of a butter, just to melt a little bit of butter with my homemade sofrito. Cook just a little bit, let it melt just a little bit, all right? And then I already put my dry mushrooms in this. I put it in hot water. So when you guys gonna use those mushrooms, do not throw away the juice that comes out of the mushroom. Just throw it with the rice, because that is gonna add just extra flavor. Of course, I have here my arborio rice. So when you make a risotto, you definitely want to use a type of rice that it's specifically used for making risottos, just for 2 people. And of course I have just a little bit of white wine, and then I have a little bit of a parsley right here. Sofrito basically melted down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw in here all my grain of rice, okay? I'm gonna just let them coat with all this beautiful sofrito. And you want the flame of the fire, you want it like a moderate flame, you know, you don't want to put it all to the max, because this is a risotto. A risotto, it needs to be done gently, okay? So we're gonna let it cook a little bit in here like this, and we're coming back in a few minutes. At this point, you cannot leave the stove unattended. You need to be here, so you cannot just leave it and go and do other things. A little bit of a chicken stock, a ladle of chicken stock. Okay, there you go. And you let it cook the rice in this chicken stock. Every time you have to alternate. Once the liquid it got soaked in, then that's when you alternate with the white wine. Okay, so now we're gonna throw a little bit of white wine. Beautiful. 1 ladle of this beautiful chicken stock. You can use chicken stock, you can use beef stock, you can use any type of stock that you have in the house. So this is gonna be like this until you're going to see that the rice has a good consistency and it's kind of nice and soft, okay? So that's pretty good. So you see, guys, it looks like it's getting dry, so no panic, just add a little more of chicken stock. So nothing to be scared about, okay? Let it coat all in there. Basically my stock is getting dry, so what I'm gonna do, you remember the juice from my dry mushrooms? That's what I'm gonna throw in there. So pretty much it's just a hot water that I soaked my mushroom in there. I'm just gonna put it in there right now. This is gonna just add extra flavor, guys, okay? The rice, it's almost done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the rest of the mushrooms, okay? Okay, and that's up to you. You can do this even with fresh mushrooms, but because, you know me, guys, like if I have something in my pantry, I use everything that I have in my pantry. So a little bit of a black pepper, okay? Just a dash of black pepper, okay? I'm gonna try just a little bit to see at what point we are with just a little longer, that's all. I'm going to add some chopped parsley. You can put like pancetta, you can put anything you want, okay? You can put vegetables, zucchini, anything that you like. I just wanted to really make this simple risotto. a little bit of a Parmigiano Reggiano. You definitely want to do this when it's still like on the stove cooking, because that heat will melt this beautiful Parmigiano. Bit of a butter, like you guys notice, close to the end of the cooking time. This is so good. This is absolutely good. All the flavors you feel one after the other, and you didn't put anything special. It's just few ingredients, okay? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys gonna make this recipe, and let me know if you guys make the recipe. Just let me know. Hit that notification button, share this video with friends and family. Guys, as you notice, I pretty much made this risotto with all my homemade ingredients, chicken stock, sofrito, everything. If you want to know anything, just go on my videos and you will check it out. They're all there, and it shows you how to make it. For now guys, stay safe, okay? And I'm gonna go and finish this rice because this is amazing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.